In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs for free. So if you're ready to dive into the world of advanced AI-driven voice tools without spending a dime, stick around. Let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you like best. Once you've got that sorted, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate over to the ElevenLabs website. Simply type the URL into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Now, once you're on the ElevenLabs homepage, you'll need to create an account. You have the option to register using your email address, or if you prefer a quicker method, you can sign up using popular OAuth providers like Google or social media accounts, which might save you a few steps. Adding this personalization touch helps streamline your future experiences on the platform. As you set up your account, ElevenLabs might ask you a few questions aimed at personalizing your account. These questions help tailor the services to better suit your needs. Just answer them best you can, and don't worry too much about specifics. You can always tweak settings later based on your evolving preferences. When it comes to selecting a subscription plan, you'll encounter a step asking you to pick a plan. If you're looking to stay within the boundaries of a free trial, simply locate the skip or similar option and proceed without committing to any paid plans. This way, you keep access to the essential features of ElevenLabs without any financial commitment. After you've successfully set up your account, you'll find yourself on the ElevenLabs dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you can explore the core speech options, like text-to-speech or speech-to-speech. Depending on what you're creating, you can adjust voice settings to enhance the clarity and quality of your audio. There are also sound effects and workflows that you can experiment with to find what complements your project best. It's quite intuitive, so feel free to explore and get creative with the available features. Finally, after generating your audio, you have a couple of options. You can either download the output directly to your device, or, if you're working on a larger project, use it within your project environment, integrating seamlessly with whichever platform you're developing on. This step allows you to listen to the synthesized speech, make any necessary adjustments, and ensure it perfectly matches your needs. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to using ElevenLabs for free. Whether it's for a professional project or just for fun, these tools can add a fantastic layer of polish and professionalism to your audio outputs. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching. It's for answering